Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oka Love Light. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right on into it. So we're gonna be doing another 3-day meal prep, you guys. And I wanted to show y'all what I found, this keto birthday cake. Listen, y'all, this is how they trip y'all up, right? Y'all see these calories? 500 calories for one prepared cake. And then it say 300 calories for container. Come on now. So once you cook this cake, it's 500 calories. Now, let's go back into these carbs. Carbs is 32 grams. Fiber is 10. Sugar alcohol is 7. Right? So now, if you do your math, you subtract everything, right? You're going to get left with 15 carbs. However, I'm not eating this whole damn cake in one day. Absolutely not. So I'm going to split this up into 2. So for me, it's going to be 7.5 carbs. And it's going to be 250 calories. This is ridiculous. And guess who's not buying this again? Y'all guessed it right. Absolutely not. They setting us up out here. But I do want to taste it. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to be meal prepping. So here's the salmon, however you want to pronounce it, that I get from Aldi's. And I'm just going to make these into cubes. I love this one because, look, the back is already off of it. Now, for about 1/4 of this fillet is 250 calories, 0 carbs, of course. So we are just going to chop this up because we're going to be throwing this thing up in the air fryer. We're going to cook both of them because we are going to split it over 3 days. Yes. All right, y'all. So we're going to season this with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning, paprika, parsley, and Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, and a hint of Cajun seasoning. So go ahead, y'all. Get on into it, and I'll come back. Oh, wait. Before I get into the seasoning and stuff, let me show y'all the shrimp I'm going to be using. I get these from Aldi's, and I'm going to be using a bag and a half, right? So for each bag is 300 calories, and it's 3 carbs. Because we're going to be making some shrimp salad too. I'm just going to pop this in some water, not put no seasoning on it. Aren't you surprised about that? And let that steam while I'm getting my salmon ready. All right, y'all, for real. Go ahead, get into it, and I'll come back. All right, you guys, now that our salmon is seasoned well, we're going to pop this in the air fryer on 400 degrees for about 11 to 12 minutes. I left mine in there a little bit longer. Y'all, don't do that. Leave it for 11 to 12 minutes. This is the shrimp that we cooked, and now we are just going to peel them and break them up a little bit so we can make our shrimp salad. All we're going to use in this is Old Bay, parsley, and about 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now that our shrimp is done, we are just going to boil us 6 eggs because I'm going to be making my famous egg salad, which consists of eggs, mayo, bacon, and hot sauce. Don't judge it until you try it. It is so good. So we're going to get these eggs to boiling while we finish the rest of our meals.
I can't fall asleep. I just lay in my bed wondering if there's anybody, or if I was born to be lonely. I've been trying, but I'm burned out from my feelings, setting fires, just hoping that you'll notice me. Oh, I'm sending out an SOS from the sinking in my soul. Oh, and I just need you. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all the butter that I'm going to be using. I normally do not use this, but I saw this and I'm like, let me try it out. I know it's probably got some bad stuff in it, but it is what it is this week. 0 carbs though.
So we are just going to squeeze about 2 tablespoons of it in there. And then we're just going to add a little bit of garlic powder. We're not going to use the whole thing of it. So maybe about a tablespoon that we added. And we're going to mix it well. Who doesn't like salmon with nice garlicky butter? Oh my gosh. Garlic butter makes anything taste good besides desserts. Oh my goodness. I just love it. Just love it. So look, you guys, this is what it looks like close up. Look how yummy that looks. Oh, so good. Yes, plate me, please. Now, let me just show y'all. I'm also going to be steaming a bag of cauli rice. I just steamed it. That's it. This is the rice that I use. I get this from Aldi's. I am only going to season it with lime juice, garlic powder, cilantro, a little bit of red pepper, and a hint of salt. Y'all, this is so good. I also sometimes add a little bit of sweetener to it just to give it that balance, since you have all of these flavors. You got the sweet, salty, and sour. So that makes it taste good too. I might just do that when I warm it up. I'm not sure yet, but I will let y'all know. Now, as you can see, I didn't have enough cauli rice, so I'm just going to add the rest of that broccoli that I had from the last meal prep. That was 3 days ago. Don't judge me. We're going to still eat this broccoli because it's been in the fridge, so it should be good. I hope so. Now, I'm just going to pop a couple pieces of bacon in the microwave because we are getting ready to make the egg salad.
Are your arms wide enough to hold my oceans inside them? Is your heart warm enough? 'Cause it's cold and I need your love. There's no one who holds me like you. No one who can melt this pain. There's no one who sees me like you, or makes me smile this way. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free. You don't know how you make me sing. You don't know how much you mean to me. Everyone's guessing at life, but your love is sure enough to find me. Everyone's trying to survive. It's you I'm running to for freedom. There's no one who holds me like you. No one who can.
All right, you guys, so here is what everything looks like. That is breakfast. This is lunch. We're going to have shrimp salad wrap. And here is our dinner, garlic butter salmon with some cilantro lime cauli rice. And then we're going to have garlic butter salmon with broccoli. Here's my snack. I'm going to eat half of those. And then I made y'all 2 big things of ginger tea. Y'all, I absolutely love ginger tea. I also got pistachios as a snack, and I still have some yogurt in the fridge if I want something else. And I still have those kind bars, so I can also do those as well. But this is what everything looks like. Our 3-day meal prep. We are showing off.
What makes me smile this way? You don't know.
All right, y'all, so this would be 1,350 calories. It would be 18 net carbs. Total carbs was 55 grams. That's because of the dumb keto cake, y'all. I'm telling y'all. And I don't know, I might just taste it and then don't even eat it and do my kind bars because I still have them. So which means it will be less carbs. So I decided to do the 3-day meal prep video because you guys seem to really like that. Which, okay, listen, I got y'all. We in this to win this together. So that is going to be the end of this video, you guys. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing. To my OGs who keep coming back, thank you so much for your love and support. I greatly appreciate you guys. Please, you guys, don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.